parentheses, and the same thing again. So, how do you solve anything like that? You have to FOIL. What does FOIL mean? FOIL means multiplicating the first with the second, and the first with the first, and the same thing with the second. So, after you FOIL, you have to write down the thing you did. So, A times A equals A to the power of 2. The second multiplication is A times B, which is AB. The third multiplication is B times A, which is AB. The last and first multiplication is B times B, which is B to the power of 2. So, the next step is look at for if you can add up any of them. You can add up these two because they're the same, which would be 2AB. So, the last step is organize. What do you organize? You organize all the answers. So, the answer would be the first with the thing you add up plus 2AB plus the last one, which would be...
Today we're going to see some times difference. So, here is an exercise, and we are going to prove that this is the answer of this example. So, first, you rewrite the operation, and you're going to multiply this term by this term, and this term by this term. And so, A times A is going to be A to the power of 2. A times minus B is going to be minus AB. B times A, and it's positive, is going to be positive AB. And B times negative B is going to be minus B to the power of 2. These are opposite sides, so this is going to be cancelled. So it's going to be A to the power of 2 minus B to the power of 2. And it's the same answer. Now, if we have exponents, it will be like this. This would be the answer. Why? So, we are going to multiply the terms. And it's going to be A times A to the power of 2. You're going to add the exponents. So, A to the power of 4 times minus B. It's going to be A to the power of 2 and for this it's going to be A to the power of 2, and this is negative, so it's going to be negative B to the power of 2. This is going to be cancelled because there are opposite signs, and the answer is going to be this one.
Okay, now we are going to prove why 5 minus A and 5 plus A is going to be 25 minus A2. Okay, 5 times 5 is going to be 25 positive. 5 times A is going to be positive 5A, because both are positive. then minus and plus and 8 and 5 is going to be 5a. And minus 8 times plus positive 8 is going to be minus 8 to the power 2. Then we cancel this and this because they are opposite signs and they are like terms. And the answer is going to be 25 minus 18.
Okay, now we are going to do an example of adding with cubes. X plus 4 cubed. This is the same to x plus 4 times x plus 4 times x plus 4. So in here we are going to join this 2, and that will give us x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 4 squared times x plus 4. Now we are going to solve in parentheses because we can see that these two can add together and we can solve this one. So x squared plus 4 plus 4 equals 8x plus 4 times 4 equals 16 times x plus 4. Now we are going to solve all of this. So x squared times x, 8x times x, 16 times x. X squared times 4, 8x times 4, 16 times 4. This will be like this. X squared times x equals x cubed. 8x times x equals 8x squared. 16 times x equals 16x. X squared times 4 equals 4x squared. 8x times 4 equals 32x. 16 times 4 equals 64. Now we are going to write it as an equation. So x cubed plus 8x squared plus 16x plus 4x squared plus 32x plus 64. We can see that there are matching terms, so we can join them together. These 2 and these 2. So 8x squared plus 4x squared is 12x squared. Plus 16x plus 32x equals 48x. Plus 64. That's our final answer because we can solve anything else. Now let's check it with the other way. Wait. X plus 4 cubed. Remember, this has a certain formula that you will always have to follow. So it's x cubed plus 3 times x squared times 4 plus 3x 4 squared plus 4 cubed. Now let's solve it. X cubed times 3 times 4, plus 3 times 4 equals 12x squared plus 4 times 4 equals 16. 3 times 16. 3x 16 plus 64. it's a correct equation. Okay, now we are going to do an example with subtraction. A minus 2 cubed. We are going to do this one with the formula you have to use. So, a cubed plus 3a squared times 2 plus 3a 2 squared minus 2 cubed. Okay, we're going to start by solving this parenthesis. A cubed plus 3 times 2, 6a squared plus 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12a minus 2 cubed. So, a cubed plus 6a squared plus 12a minus 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So, this is our final answer. If you want to check it, you can do it the other way or just with this way. This is the formula you will always have to follow.